Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft PowerPoint. In this module, I want to show you different hand signs that people will recognize around the world and what they mean in certain countries. So first of all, if I come on to the first one, the UK, the two fingers. There's two meanings for this really. If you've got the two fingers as the picture shows facing away from your body, that is a sign of V for victory from the Second World War or peace. So that's okay. If the hand was facing the other way around, however, that would be seen in the UK as a very aggressive and offensive sign with your hand. So be careful about which way you put your hand if you visit in the UK. Iran and some other countries in the Middle East, the thumbs up symbol, which for the West is a very happy, chilled sort of symbol, similar to that picture there with that lady with smiling face, is very offensive in Iran and the other Middle East countries. So just be careful that you don't do that over there. Next one, pointing. As a child, sometimes you're told don't point, it's rude. Well, it's definitely rude if you're in Malaysia and other Far East countries. If you start pointing at people, they take that as an offence. So watch that one. In Brazil, the OK sign, which divers use to say they're okay under the sea, rather than thumbs up, it's a universal sign for deep sea divers. That is not nice in Brazil. They see that as a description of a certain body part, which I'm not going to mention on this little video, but just be careful of that. In the USA, this is classed as the horns. It's meant to mean people are having a good time. Some people, however, depending what your religious status is, would see that as a demonic symbol. If you have the thumb out as well, the thumb out, that is seen in hand signal terms for deaf people as I love you. So there's a bit of a confusion with that symbol. Just be careful how you present that. Western culture again, this symbol means loser, which is obviously not nice, and I would not recommend that you do that. So there's just a little few symbols that you need to be aware of if you're traveling around the world in different countries, how people may react. You might not know why they're acting that way, but you've done a symbol that is offensive to them. So being aware of it is a good thing to do. So hopefully this little video, short video, has been of use for some of you. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.